Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Where is this
Good
student class?
afternoon, ma'am.
Where is your energy? Good afternoon.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Thank you all.
afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine. What about you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to start our second chapter. In the first chapter, we have learned about PowerPoint, right? In the first chapter, we have learned that we can insert text, videos, audios in our slide, right? We have learned that, isn't it? Ivan, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in this chapter, we are going to learn some of the basic tasks with text. Is that clear? So please take your rough book and write the heading. Chapter 2, Text Basics. Chapter 2, Text Basics. In this chapter, we are going to learn some of the basic tasks with text. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to insert text, how to delete, how to select, how to move text. Okay, not only that, we are also going to learn how to work with text boxes. Okay, I hope you have written the name of the chapter. Our second chapter is about text basics. Okay, so first let's learn how to insert text. No need to write anything. Okay, so let's see how to insert text. First, we can insert our text into placeholders or text box. For that, if we want to insert our text, first we have to click the placeholder or text box where we want to insert our text. Is that clear? This is the first step. After that, you can see the insertion point. Here you can see the insertion point. The insertion point appears. No need to write anything. Okay. Third step. When the insertion point appears, you can enter the text that you want into the placeholder or text box. Here you can see the example. Okay, so what are the steps? First, you have to click the placeholder or text box where you want to insert your text. Okay, after that you can see the insertion point. Then you can enter the text that you want. Is that clear? Yes, Devananda, is that clear?
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
repeat once more?
Yes, dear. So first, we have to click the placeholder or text box where we want to insert our text. Okay. After that, insertion point will appear. Then we can enter our text. Okay. We can see the practical. Wait. Let's see the practical. See, I'm going to type my text. Can you see the text? Yes. Amal, yes. Amal Fayaz,
Yes, ma'am.
what is my text? Can you just read it?
ma'am.
What is my text? Read it. What I have written?
Reshma.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, dear. Thank you. So, how I inserted my text? See, can you see the insertion point? Yes, you can see a blinking line, right? Right? When it appears, I can enter my text. This is my text. Is that clear? This is how you can insert text into your placeholder. Okay? Yes? Yes or no? Crystal, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, my dear. You can mute. So this is how you can insert your text. Okay, now let's see how to delete a text. How to delete a text. No need to write anything. Okay, to delete a text, first we have to place the insertion point next to the text where we want to delete. Okay, there are two keys using which we can erase our text. The two keys are backspace key and delete key. Please take your rough book and write the spelling of backspace key and delete key. Yes, so there are two keys which are used to erase our text or which is used to remove the mistakes or text. Yes, Ayan, please write. So there are two keys which are the backspace key and delete key. Akshit, can you just tell me the difference between the backspace key and delete key? What is the difference between backspace key and delete key? Unmute. Yes, unmute, my dear. Akshit. Joseph. Joseph Ivan. Can you just tell me the difference? Yes, unmute. Do you know the difference between the backspace key and the delete key?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just tell me the difference between the backspace key and the delete key? Do you know the difference?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, Christo can.
Yes, Christo.
Ma'am, the backspace key deletes. No. Yes. Deletes the uh, text in the right side, and delete key deletes the.
No. See, this is
Delete.
the cursor.
No.
Okay,
the-
very good attempt. Yes. See, this is the cursor. Hold your hands like this. Yes, hold your hands. If you want to delete the text from the right side of the cursor, this is your cursor. Then which is your right side? This is my right side. What about you? My opposite side, right? So if you want to delete the text from the right side, you will use delete key. Is that clear? Show me right side. Yes. If you want to delete the text from the left side of the cursor, you will use which key? Backspace key. Which key you will use? Backspace key. Okay, Gurichit, can you just tell me the difference between the backspace and delete key?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we want to delete left side, we use backspace.
Yes.
To delete right side, we
Ah.
use delete key.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you, my dear. So let's see the difference. If you want to delete the text from the left side insertion point, we will use backspace. And if you want to delete the text from the right side of the insertion point, you will use delete key. Let's see one example relating to this. Yes, ready? Let's see the demo. Yes. Ivan, can you just see the cursor? Can you just tell me the position of the cursor? Can you see a blinking line here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the blinking line? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, blinking line. Where is your blinking line? Yes. See. Can you just see the blinking line? Yes or no? Yes. Can you see the blinking line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you just tell me the position? It is between which letters?
S and H.
Okay. If I want to delete or erase H, which key I will use?
Delete key.
Which key?
Delete.
Key. Let's check. Okay, let's check. Yes, it's right. So using delete key, we can delete the letters from the right side. Excellent, my dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can
Welcome,
mute.
ma'am.
Farhan. Yes, Farhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just see the cursor? Can you just see a blinking line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just tell me the position of that?
S and M.
It is between
S
S
and M. M.
Okay. If I want to delete or erase E and S, which key I have to use?
Delete key.
E and
Delete
S.
key.
It means that left side. Left side. If you want to delete the letters from the left side, which
Delete
key?
key. Delete key.
Left side means delete. No.
Please hold.
Rishikesh. Rishikesh. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you just tell me if I want to delete E and S? Means the left letters.
Key.
Yes, it is backspace key, right? If I'm going, see, I'm going to press backspace key. Can you see the difference? Yes, it is right. If you want to delete the letters from the right side of the cursor, you will use delete key. And if you want to delete the letters from the left side, you will use backspace. Okay, remember that. Is that clear? Yes? Right means delete. Left means backspace. Okay? Right means delete and left means backspace. Clear? Yes. Now you have learned how to delete your text, isn't it? Isn't it, Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you can mute, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's see how to select a text. Okay, first let's go through the text. First we have to place the insertion point next to the text where we want to select. Okay, first we have to place the insertion point next to the text that we want to select. After we have to click the mouse button while holding it down and drag the mouse over the text. Then release the mouse. Then the text will be selected. A highlighted box will appear over the selected text. Now, I will show you how to do that. Okay, this is my mouse. Can you see this? Yes. First, to select a text, you know that first you have to place the insertion point, right? After that, you have to click. Can you see this? First, you have to click. Okay? Wait. First, you have to click and you have to then what you have to do that? First, you have to click and you have to drag the mouse over the text. Okay, what I have done? First, you have to click, then you have to drag the mouse over the text. Okay, this is how you select a text. After that, selecting, you can release the mouse button. Okay, after that, you can release the mouse button. Then you can see the highlighted box over the selected text. Now, let's do it. Okay, ready? Ready? Would you like to see how to select a text? Yes. So, let me type my text. Okay, I am going to type my text. Okay, now let's see how to select the text. What is the first step? First, I have to place the cursor, right? First, I have to place the cursor. After that, I have to click the mouse button, right? Click and drag the mouse button. Is that clear? After that, I have to release it. Can you see the highlighted boxes? Can you see the highlighted box which will appear over the selected text? Can you see this? Advait, can you see the selected text? Say yes or no. Anthony, can you see the selected text?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is how you can select this. Is that clear? Is that clear? GB Chen, is that clear? Yes, Niranjana? Clear? This is how you have to select the text. Is that clear, Niranjana?
Yes.
Okay, my dear, thank you. This is how you can select the text. Okay? Yeah,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Thank you. Yes, moving to the next topic. Now we have learned how to select the text. Formatting a text. Devadar, can you just tell me what do you mean by formatting? Can you just tell me what do you mean by formatting? Yes, I can't hear you, my dear. Yes, tell. Try to answer. Oops, I can't hear. Ivana, can you just tell me what do you mean by formatting? Unmute. Yes. Unmute. Unmute. Yes. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by formatting?
Um.
Let me see whether you know the answer or not. Otherwise, Amal is ready to answer.
uh,
Okay, Amal.
yes, ma'am.
Ashwin is raising his both hands and dancing with that. Huh? Amal, what do you mean by formatting? Yes. Okay, Ashwin, tell me. Yes, tell me,
Yes,
Ashwin.
ma'am.
Just tell me.
Ma'am,
What do you mean by...
that the
Uh,
letter that should be up and down. That
that's the correct answer. Huh?
and the underline and all.
Okay, near to the answer. See, formatting means changing the appearance of the text. Okay, formatting means changing
Ma'am,
the
can I
appearance.
say? Ma'am means
Yes,
that the letter changing.
yes. It means the changing the appearance of the text. Means we can make it big, small. We can change the color. Okay. So, for example, when you go out for a party, usually girls to their makeup, isn't it? They change the appearance. Nowadays, boys are also doing that. Right, boys? Yes. You put powders and all, right? You used to change your appearance. What about girls? They used to put makeups, lipsticks, and all. Yes, they used to change the appearance. Isn't it, girls? No? Boys, right? Girls used to do that. You can say unmute, right?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
do. Yes, ma'am.
Girls are very beauty conscious.
Ma'am, I don't do that much.
I used to do that. So, formatting means changing the appearance of the text. Okay, let's see different options for that. First, to change the font size, we can change the size of our text. For that, let's see how to do that. The steps that is to be followed. Okay, so first we have to select the text. You know how to select the text, right? Yes, Randir? Yes, Randir? Yes. Then first you have to go to the home
Yes,
tab.
ma'am.
Yes, first you have to go to the home tab. Yes, there you can see the phone group. Okay, in that you can see phone size option, with the help of which we can change the size of our text. With the help of which we can change the size of our text. Okay, let's see how to change the phone size. Okay, now I am going to take my PowerPoint here. Oops, let me take the PowerPoint. So, to change the font size, first you have to select the text. Can you see this? Yes, I have selected my text. After that, I am going in the home tab. You have to select the font group. Can you see the font group? Yes. Here you can see the option. See, can you see the change in the signs of the font? Can you see the changes? See, Zara, can you see the changes? It is becoming big, right? Anthony, which size do you want, Anthony? Which size do you want? Which size do you want? Do you want 11, 12, 14, 16? Which size? 6. Huh?
96.
96. Oh, bigger one. This is how you can change. Okay. Zara, which phone do you want, Zara? Which size do you want?
Ma'am, 44.
44. Is that clear? This is how, thank you, Zara. This is how you can change the phone size. Is that clear? Yes? Okay. Happy to see your replies. Okay. Moving to the next topic. Now you have learned how to change the phone size. Now, if you want to change the style, now let's see the steps that we have to follow. First, we have to select the text. Ashwin? Yes, Ashwin? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, you have learned how to select the text, right?
Yes, ma'am. In the previous
Yes.
class, I learned.
In the previous class or in this class?
The previous class that.
Yes, we have learned. Yes, thank you, Ashwin. So, to change the phone style, first we have to select the text. In the home tab, you can see the phone group. Here you can see the phone group we have seen in the previous example. From there, you can see the phone style option. Okay. Here you can see the phone style option. From there, you can select the phone style that you want. Now, let's see how to change the phone style of my text. Ready for your opinion? Ready to give your opinion? Yes, Ashwin is doing like this. I think he is enjoying our class. Okay. Okay. I will go with Rayan. Rayan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the different phone styles? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the changes? Okay,
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me wait. First, I will select. If you want to change the phone style, first you have to select the text. Okay, you know how to select the text. Then you can select. Can you change the difference? Can you change the style? Different styles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which style do you want? How is it? Is it good?
Yes, ma'am. This is nice.
Yes, this is how you can change the style. For example, when you go out, right? When you go out, you used to change your style, which means that you sometimes for boys, they will wear shirts, t-shirts. While coming to the girls, they will wear frock, Zara, right? Yes, they will wear frocks, saris. Girls, do you wear saris at your home? Megha, do you wear? No. Okay.
I have a question about this.
Yes, what is your question?
Whenever we make PDF and all.
That is another topic. No, after this, I will give you the time. Okay. Do you have any doubt regarding the style?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The question is, we can make the size big and style different.
You can change the style.
So
Other
can
than
we-
that, there are different options that we can do, that we are going to
So
learn.
can we make
Yes.
in our own size? Create
Yes.
our own size?
Yes. No.
Other
We
than
can't
the
create our
options?
own size. It is predefined. Okay. From there, we have to select. Is that okay? Yes, dear. Thank you. So, is that okay with you all? Now, one more topic to go. After that, we will continue with our seminars. Okay? Yes. So, our next topic is, now we have learned to change the font style. Next is font color. If you want to change the color of your text, you can do that. For that, first you have to select the text. Then in the font group, you can see the font color option, with the help of which we can change the color of our phone. Now I am going to change the color of my phone. Now who will give me the suggestion regarding this? Let me select one. Lionel or Wasim. Wasim, unmute. See, You just tell me which color should I choose for my knee. Is this good or this one? This one, which one is good? Can you see the changes in the color?
Red. Yes,
Which,
ma'am.
which one do you want?
Red.
Red. If you want, there are more colors. Okay, for that, you can see here option, more colors. From there also, Nived, from there also, you can choose more colors. Okay, here are many colors. You can choose any color that you want. Okay, is that clear?
This.
Yes,
ma'am.
this is how you can change the color of your text. I hope this is clear to you all, right? How was the chapter? Good or bad? Super. My God. Yes. Yes, Gurichit, you can.
Ma'am,
Yes, start. You can show your seminar. Yes.
you disable.
Okay. Wait. Now you can start your seminar.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, today
Yeah.
I'm going to show you.
You can just click from beginning. Slideshow from beginning.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
You know. Very good. Yes, dear.
And today I'm going to show
Uh,
different type of shades.
hmm.
Ma'am,
Oops, excellent.
ma'am,
Yeah.
it's PowerPoint 2010. It is a popular presentation software including in MS Office
Hmm.
2010.
Hmm.
Slides.
Hmm.
Slides are individual pages of presentation.
Slides. Yes.
Slides consist of
Hmm.
text, graphics, clip art.
Hmm.
Types of slide.
Hmm.
Title bar located at the top in the center of PowerPoint window.
Hmm.
Display the name of presentation and application.
Yes. Hmm.
Finish.
Okay, you can stop sharing your screen. Excellent. It was excellent. Okay, clap for him. You can clap for him. Yes, excellent, my dear. Excellent. Yes, please stop sharing. Yes. So that's all for. Wait, that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.